What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Belle's Rides. I'm Belle, and thank you for joining me here at the Mobile Garage Lounge. Today we're talking about Javy Microdose Coffee. Stick around, we'll get right to it right after this.
This is where we enjoy the ride. So come on, let's go.
For those of you who know me, know I'm a coffee junkie. I love coffee and I love it in many forms of brew. When I'm here at the RV, I like to brew it for my morning keto coffee. But when I'm moto camping, I like to press it. This could be perfect for moto camping or traveling in general. It's super easy, it's convenient and consistent. You can pop into any gas station, full service gas station, all over the United States, all over the world. And most of them won't charge you for ice or hot water in your own cup. And honestly, I hate when I spend $5 on a cup of coffee and it tastes like it's an engine degreaser. Let's go to the RV and I'll show you exactly how easy it is, and I'll show you how to make a couple of keto coffees and one that's not so keto, a Vietnamese iced coffee that's super yummy. So come on, let's go. Okay guys, welcome to my full-time RV home. Let's get right into this. Javy sent me this little bottle. It's 6 ounces of their concentrated microdose coffee, which is 100% Arabica beans. Super yummy. I snuck into it already and had some, and it's pretty dang good. Also, they sent me a couple of these metal straws. It's pretty cool. And a little cleaning brush. Not too bad. So today I'm going to share with you a couple of keto-friendly iced coffees and one that's not so keto-friendly, a Vietnamese iced coffee that is almost worth the carbs. It's so yummy. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, I have everything I need for the 3 coffees I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to start with a carbonated coffee. I just get cravings for carbonation every once in a while. So in here I'm going to put an ice ball, one of the big giant ice balls. And I'm going to start off with the coffee. And I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. Okay. And add carbonated water. Now this is just plain sparkling water. And then a couple drops of sweet leaf. So sweet leaf is an organic stevia. and there's nothing in it. A long time ago when I started doing keto, a lot of different products came on the line, some swerves and the stevia products, and they all have some kind of erythritol or something that ends with tol. Don't put it in your body if you want to stay keto friendly. This simply has organic inulin, organic stevia, and silica. All right, next one up is an iced coffee with cream. Super easy. All of this stuff is easy. Now the water that I'm using is just purified water. Pour it in. Leave room for some cream. Now I use the powdered one, the powdered sweet leaf for my hot coffee, and I use the drops for my cold coffee. Put that in there, and a couple teaspoons of the Javy. Okay. Isn't that pretty? All right, 2 keto iced coffees down, and now the not so much keto friendly, but it's super yummy. All right, this is condensed milk, and I just have a heaping tablespoon. And this is warm water, just to kind of melt the condensed milk some. And 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to, but you could lighten it up with 1 if you want to. I'm gonna whip it some more. And one of these big ice balls. Perfect. All right, there's the Vietnamese iced coffee. Let's taste them. All right, guys. So the one that I snuck in earlier was this one. So I'm gonna start with the taste test of the carbonated one. And you know, I just made this up. I love a little bit of carbonation every once in a while. So I'm gonna give it a shot. It needs a little more carbonated water. It's a little over the top with the coffee. That's probably because I don't have cream or anything like that in it. That's perfect. What I really like about it is that, you know how some coffee, when you brew it, or even iced coffee, it kind of has that bitter flavor to it? That doesn't. And this one is my favorite. So yummy. All right, now it's the Vietnamese iced coffee. So Vietnamese iced coffee is pretty simple. It's condensed milk, water, and the coffee. So it's super easy. but it is not keto friendly. There's 11 grams of carbs in 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, so not keto friendly. But oh my God, good. That's really good. Also, what I really like about this is that the no bitter taste. I love that. That's awesome. 100% Arabica beans, great quality of coffee beans, and the convenience. People like us who travel regularly and quite often, sometimes, you know, I don't have time to brew a full pot, so it would be cool just to get a cup of ice, add some water, a couple teaspoons, good to go. Or throw it in my saddlebag and take it with me on a ride and get a cup of ice, some water, and have some iced coffee on the road. So that's pretty cool also. The convenience is pretty important. All right, guys, that's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and the bell icon to be notified on our next adventure. Until next time, enjoy the ride.